Alright, hey guys, me again. Today we'll be destroying this little toy car. And yes, it's out here in my beautiful neighborhood. Set the phone here like I always do. Alright. Oh. Stay right there, car. Ow, it's really hot out here. Oh, that's good damage, actually. I'm gonna try to break the glass of it. Oh my goodness, it is really hot out here. I'm gonna go get shoes on. Oh, look at the wheels. Look at the top of it. It got totally flat. Number 5 is in heaven. Sorry, I missed you funeral. Oh, my hockey stick. Oh, thank you, stupid. This car does not look like a car anymore. Scrap metal. That's fancy. I'm gonna run over it. I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna get my bike out here and run over it. Guys, I decided the bike thing wouldn't be a good idea. I'm just gonna destroy it with my puck. Well, not my puck, my hockey stick. I always get confused on my YouTube videos. Well, not all the YouTube videos, but like some of them. This like glass like right here is like indestructible. It's not breaking. It's like breaking slowly. That is totally flat. Whoever's in there died. Look at the stupid kids on there. They're just reading stuff. It's destroyed nobody cared about it, so we just destroyed it because it looks ugly. Yeah. Look at that damage. Connected to the carpet. Look. It's on a cardigan.
Wow. It's smashed.
The paint's coming out.
Oh, whoops. That's silly.
What?
I'll just get up. There you go. That's okay. Ride bike together?
I think it's a piece of junk. A poor stick. Number 5 is dead. As he burns out on the track, he dies and then he gets smashed by a YouTuber that doesn't like these things. I just destroy things for entertainment. And fun. For you guys. Oh, the number 5 is coming off. We can get that off real quick. Yeah. Can't see anything in there. It's literally cracked on the side, if you guys can see.